Well guys, so I built something new recently. Actually saw a competition for Arduino IoT Cloud. So I decided to give it a try. So you basically have to build something that uses Arduino IoT Cloud. I asked one of my friends I used to work at a power plant in my school. There's a pump there that supplies water to the school. And I want to be able to monitor the state of the pump and see the state real time, or like, oh, I can do something with that using Arduino IoT Cloud. That's basically what I built. So what the pump does is it pumps water into the reservoir, and from the reservoir it's pumped and sent to the tanks in different parts of the school. So you use a pressure switch to know when it should go off. So if it has pumped in water for a while, when it's particular pressure, it stops, goes off. After a while, when the pressure begins to decrease, it comes back up again. And what I did was that I made the device that can monitor the state of the pump so you can see it. And now the pump is a motor, so you also want to know when it has tripped. So on using the Arduino IoT Cloud, I'm going to show the state of the pump when it's running, if it has tripped or the pump is offline. And also we also use an ultrasound sensor to monitor the level of the water.
This is the Arduino IoT app, and there you can see the volume of water and the state of the two pumps. Now, pump 2 is not currently operational, so we're only using pump 1. Consider the volume of water centimeter cube. You can see it's constantly varying because the water is continually being sucked out of the tank and also pumped in continually. That's why it's constantly varying. Now, for the pump, we have pump 1. So, when pump 1 start running, it will show its text running from the app, and if it trip for any reason, it will show trip. As I see, it's currently running at the moment. So now if there's any issue, it should trip there, but currently now we cannot trip the pump because it's currently supplying water goes full, so we cannot trip it. This is the circuit over here. We have the ESP32 and it's powered by USB because our power supply got damaged during testing. These terminals, they are our input terminal that goes straight to the contactor of the pump.
That's all for the circuit. There was something I forgot to mention. You have seen the circuit, there is an SD card you can see hanging out there. So what the SD card does is to log data. So anytime the pump goes off, it logs data. When it comes back on, it logs data, and when the water level changes, it also logs the data. So we're looking at that so that we can use data to draw insight later. That'll be all for the project. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Have any question or want to access the materials for the video, you can check the description. If you have a question, ask me in the comment, and see you next time, guys. Bye.